We live in a remarkable time, a time of digital creation. Humanity has always sought to understand the universe and our place within it. We built telescopes to gaze at distant stars. We launched probes to explore other worlds. Now we are creating something entirely new. We are building artificial minds. These are not simple calculators or automated scripts. They are complex systems designed to learn, reason, and communicate. This new frontier is evolving at a breathtaking pace, a Cambrian explosion of digital intelligence that is reshaping our world in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. The year 2025 stands as a pivotal moment in this grand narrative. Think of the vastness of space. It is filled with countless stars, each with its own unique properties. Some are massive and burn brightly. Others are small and steady. The digital universe of AI is much the same. It's not a single monolithic entity. Instead, it is a cosmos teeming with diverse creations. Each AI model has been forged in a different crucible, shaped by the philosophies and goals of its creators. Understanding this diversity is key. It allows us to navigate this new landscape, to choose the right tool for the right cosmic journey, and to appreciate the sheer scale of this technological revolution. This rapid evolution began not with a single Big Bang, but with a series of smaller, powerful bursts of innovation. We saw machines master games once thought to be the exclusive domain of human intuition. We watched them generate art and music that could stir the soul. Now, these AI assistants have become our collaborators, our co-pilots in the exploration of knowledge. They are integrated into our daily lives, helping us write, research, and solve problems. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is the reality of our time, a testament to human curiosity and our relentless drive to build and understand. The competition among these AI giants is not just about market share. It is a contest of ideas. It is a debate about the very nature of intelligence and the role it should play in our society. Should an AI be a cautious and reliable librarian, or should it be a bold and unfiltered explorer? These are the questions being answered not in philosophical texts, but in lines of code and data sets. The result is a vibrant ecosystem where different models offer different windows onto the universe of information, each reflecting a unique vision for the future of human-computer interaction. Let's meet the titans of this new era. First, we have Claude, developed by Anthropic. This company was founded by former OpenAI researchers with a specific mission. Their guiding star is AI safety. They envisioned an AI that is helpful, harmless, and honest. This philosophy is woven into Claude's very architecture through a process they call constitutional AI. It's like giving the AI a set of core principles, a constitution it must follow. This makes Claude's development less about raw capability and more about responsible and ethical behavior, aiming for an assistant you can fundamentally trust. Then there is Grok from xAI. Grok is the rebel of the group, designed with a different ethos. Its creator, Elon Musk, wanted an AI with a bit more personality, a bit of wit, and a rebellious streak. Grok is designed to have a sense of humor, and is not afraid to tackle spicy or controversial questions that other systems might avoid. It has real-time access to the vast, chaotic stream of information on the social media platform X. This makes its perspective unique, current, and sometimes unpredictable. Grok represents a push against the sanitized, overly cautious nature of some of its peers. In another corner of the digital arena, we find Meta AI. Developed by the company behind Facebook and Instagram, Meta's approach is rooted in the concept of open-source technology. They believe in making their powerful Llama models widely available to researchers and developers around the world. Their philosophy is that democratizing access to AI will accelerate innovation and prevent the technology from being controlled by just a few powerful entities. Meta AI is deeply integrated into their social platforms, designed to be a social and creative companion for billions of users, from generating images in a chat to helping you plan an event. Finally, we have Gemini, the powerhouse from Google. Gemini represents the culmination of decades of research from one of the world's leading technology companies. It was designed from the ground up to be multimodal, meaning it can understand and process not just text, but also images, audio, and video seamlessly. Google's philosophy is to create the most capable and helpful AI possible, organizing the world's information and making it universally accessible. Gemini is the engine behind many of Google's products, from its search engine to its productivity suite, positioning it as a deeply integrated and versatile digital assistant for everyday life. Let's look closer at what makes these AIs tick. Claude's strength lies in its sophisticated reasoning and its massive context window. This means it can process and remember vast amounts of information at once, entire books, complex legal documents, or extensive codebases. This makes it an incredibly powerful tool for deep analysis and synthesis. When you need an AI to understand the nuances of a long, complicated conversation, or to summarize a dense report without losing key details, Claude's architectural design gives it a distinct advantage. It's built for depth and comprehension. Grok's key feature, as we've noted, is its real-time connection to the X platform. This is a game-changer. While other models are trained on static datasets that become outdated, Grok has its finger on the pulse of the present moment. It can tell you what people are talking about right now, summarizing breaking news and online discourse with a unique, unfiltered voice. This makes Grok exceptionally useful for tasks that require up-to-the-minute information, like market research, brand monitoring, or simply understanding the latest internet memes. Its engine is tuned for immediacy and relevance. Meta AI, powered by its Llama models, shines because of its open-source nature. This isn't just a philosophical point, it has real-world consequences. By making their models available, Meta has fostered a global community of developers who are constantly experimenting, improving, and adapting the technology. This leads to a rapid pace of innovation and a wide variety of specialized applications. For users, this means more choice and more tools tailored to specific needs. Meta AI's strength is not just its own power, but the power of the community it has enabled and the creative ecosystem that has grown around it. Gemini's defining characteristic is its native multimodality. It wasn't built as a text model with vision capabilities bolted on later. It was conceived from the start to understand a seamless blend of different types of information. You can show it a video of a magic trick and ask it to explain how it was done. You can give it a hand-drawn chart and ask it to turn that into a functional spreadsheet. This makes Gemini an incredibly intuitive and versatile tool. It interacts with the world in a way that is more like how humans do, by seeing, hearing, and reading all at once. When we build such powerful tools, we must consider safety. This is where the philosophies of these companies diverge most clearly. Anthropic's Claude is the embodiment of the safety-first approach. Its constitutional AI is designed to prevent it from generating harmful, unethical, or dangerous content. It will often refuse to answer questions that stray into these areas. Grok, on the other hand, represents a commitment to free speech, sometimes at the expense of comfort. It is designed to be less filtered, which some users find refreshing and others find risky. It places the burden of judgment more on the user. The user experience also reflects these core values. Using Claude feels like consulting with a calm, knowledgeable, and cautious expert. The interaction is professional and reliable. Interacting with Grok is more like bantering with a clever, witty, and sometimes sarcastic friend who is always online. It's informal and unpredictable. Meta AI, integrated into apps you use every day, aims to be an ever-present, helpful companion, feeling less like a destination and more like a feature. Gemini, with its multimodal power, offers an experience that feels fluid and futuristic, breaking down the barriers between different types of digital content. Ultimately, this diversity is a tremendous gift. There is no single best AI, just as there is no single best tool in a workshop. The right choice depends entirely on the task at hand and the user's personal values. A journalist researching a sensitive topic might prefer Claude's thorough and cautious nature. A social media manager looking for trending topics might turn to Grok's real-time insights. A student working on a multimedia project might find Gemini's capabilities indispensable. A developer building a custom application might choose Meta's open-source model. The choice, for the first time, is truly yours. This cosmic landscape of artificial intelligence is not static. It is constantly expanding, with new stars igniting and old ones changing. The competition between these different approaches, safety versus freedom, open versus closed, specialized versus general, is the engine of progress. It pushes each creator to innovate, to refine their philosophies, and to build better tools. As we continue our journey into this new digital cosmos, it is this beautiful diversity of thought and creation that will ensure the future of AI is not a monolith, but a rich and vibrant universe of possibility, with a place for every kind of explorer.